Good morning students. Welcome to this online class eSuvidya. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the para 5 and 6 CN Janki's preparation for the trip to England. So today we will discuss during the period of English Channel Swimming Association or in the English Channel. So open your book and listen to me. Page number 16. They were very worried, said Janki, and they kept a sharp eye on me during my training runs. I trained for about 3 weeks under the famous Channel coach Stella Stater. But when I told them that I wanted to make a solo attempt, they said they did not have a special boat to accompany me. This was in case I needed to be lifted out of the water. So it was decided that I would be part of a relay team. The channel swim can be done in 2 ways. One is solo and the other the relay swim. 6 swimmers form a team and they each do a minimum of 2 hours of swimming. Now the other swimmer in the team, mostly Americans, were amazed to see that Janki could swim, and to honor her they named the relay team Janki's Maritime Express. Needless to say, every member of the team other than Janki was physically normal. So dear student, there are some new words, you note down it. Solo. Solo means alone. Alone. Sita performed a solo dance in her annual function. Like of accompany, go in the company. Sanga daba, sathi daba. Will accompany you to, who will accompany you to Calcutta? Then your honor. Honor means show respect. Sanmana janaiba. Sanmana janaiba. So he was honored for his work. So students, I told you that Janki and her parents left for England and reached in the Dover and practicing her training in the middle of 1992. The swimming association authorities, the English Channel Swimming Association's authorities, they were shocked. For the first time, a physically handicapped person was trying to swim in the English Channel. CN Janki trained for about 3 weeks. Trained here 3 weeks in the English Channel, and the coach was Stella Stater. Stella Stater was the famous channel coach in the English Channel. But CN Janki wanted to make a solo attempt. एकुटिया से पहरिबा पई चाहुथिले, किंतु कौन हैला? English Channel Swimming Authorities they denied because they did not have any special boat. So it was decided he would be a part of relay team. The channel swim can be done in two ways. One is solo, another is relay. So CN Janki would be a part of a relay team. The relay team form 6 swimmers. The relay team form 6 swimmers. Out of them, 5 swimmers were Americans. Whereas one is CN Janki. The relay team formed 6 swimmers, but out of them 6 swimmers, 5 swimmers were Americans, one is an Indian, and who is that? CN Janki. And CN Janki was physically handicapped, whereas the other 5 swimmers are physically normal. They were physically normal, but whereas CN Janki was physically handicapped. So when the Americans or this other 5 swimmers, they saw CN Janki in her team, then they were amazed, they were surprised. ସେମାନେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ ଜଣେ ଫିଜିକାଲ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିକ୍ୟାପ୍ଟ ଶାରୀରିକ ଅକ୍ଷମ ଝିଅ ଆମ ଟିମ୍ରେ କେମିତି ଭାବରେ ପହଁରିବ। ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ବହୁତ ଜୋରରେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଥିଲେ। ଦେ ୱେର୍ ଆମେଜ୍ଡ ଅର୍ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ଡ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଭ୍ରି ସ୍ୱିମର is do minimum of 2 hours. 2 hours of swimming. Every swimmers swim in the relay team. Every swimmer swims 2 hours of swimming. So the other 5 swimmers, other 5 Americans, they honor CN Janki, they honor CN Janki, and they named their relay team Janki's Maritime Express. So students, this is all about the para 7 and 8. For your better understanding, let us discuss some comprehension question. Who was Stella Stater? Stella Stater was a famous channel coach. How long was she trained under Stella Stater? Only 3 weeks. How many swimmers form a relay team? Yes, a relay team for 6 swimmers. And what is the name of the Janki's relay team? Janki ra relay team ra na kon thila? The name of the Janki's relay team was Janki's Maritime express. So students, note all the comprehension question for this. Thank you.